Hello and welcome to this course on Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. My name is Armando, data scientist and course advisor in Simple Learn.
I have been an IT trainer for more than 10 years with focus areas in project and IT service management, and for the past few years in machine learning and deep learning. Besides being a trainer, I'm a services strategist and an entrepreneur. As a service strategist, I apply machine learning and deep learning to identify customer segments, outliers, and trends that help understand and predict behaviors. As an entrepreneur, I co-founded a company that offers AI products, consulting, and implementation. Here, I lead our AI technical efforts, including, among other things, training, deploying, and maintaining our natural language understanding models. I am very happy you have decided to embark in this new adventure, and without further ado, let's get this party started.
In this course, you will learn about the basic concepts of artificial intelligence or AI and gain a working knowledge to understand it so as to be successful in this data-driven world of today. To get a course completion certificate, you will need 85% OSL attendance plus a score of 80% or more in the course ending assessment. In today's world, it has become almost impossible not to hear about artificial intelligence or machine learning or even deep learning. This course has been designed to give you a jumpstart on important concepts such as machine learning algorithm types, machine learning performance metrics, as well as workflow. Whether you are an aspiring data scientist yourself or managing a team of data scientists, this course can be very useful for you. So let's take a look at one of the very first artificial intelligence humanoid robots, Sophia. Sophia is a social humanoid robot created by Dr. David Hanson at Hanson Robotics. Sophia uses artificial intelligence, visual data processing, and voice and facial recognition. Its algorithm stores and analyzes all the conversations and uses this data to improve the responses in the future. In addition to humanoid robots, technology has advanced forward to facilitate the development of virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, Microsoft Cortana, Alexa's Echo. Intelligent cars like Tesla Autopilot, Google's Waymo, Ford's Argo AI, and even in the gaming industry, Google's DeepMind AlphaGo program, which defeated South Korean master Lee So-dol in the board game of Go. The technology enabling this digital revolution is artificial intelligence.
Coding artificial intelligence.
At the end of this lesson, you will be able to discuss the meaning, scope, and stages of artificial intelligence, discover the applications of artificial intelligence, and analyze the impact of artificial intelligence on society.
Meaning, scope, and stages of artificial intelligence.
According to the dictionary, artificial intelligence is the capability of a machine to imitate human behavior. Artificial intelligence is intelligence exhibited in machines. It is based on the premise that intelligence is not real or even human. It mimics cognitive functions exhibited by humans, such as problem solving and learning. Today, the number of jobs that a machine can execute is ever increasing as vacancies in the realm of artificial intelligence look at the three stages of artificial intelligence to understand this. Artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial superintelligence. The systems using artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI, are limited to one or two functional areas, like recognizing objects or gestures. These systems are not self-aware and do not portray any self-consciousness. Although they appear to be making decisions, it is just the statistics and nothing action in the background. Examples of ANI are smartphone apps, chess, AlphaGo, image identification tools, speech recognition tools, self-driving systems, Google Translate, and spam filters. The systems using general artificial intelligence, or AGI, cover more than one functional areas such as reasoning, problem solving, and abstract thinking. Examples of AGI are multipurpose systems, systems with human-level intelligence, reasoning, thinking, and decision-making, and systems with the ability to synthesize diverse information and decide actions. The systems using artificial superintelligence, or ASI, surpass human intelligence. Examples of ASI are superintelligent AI agents and systems that are masters at every skill, subject, or discipline are faster than the smartest humans. Let's take a quick look at the 3 stages of AI. Artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI, comprises user-driven big data systems for machine learning. Artificial general intelligence, or AGI, comprises advanced networks that are trained to build ad hoc systems and improve themselves using data. And artificial superintelligence, or ASI, comprises systems that characterize cognitive self-learning.
Applications of artificial intelligence.
Let's proceed to take a look at the different applications of AI. Within AI, we have machine learning, vision, hearing, natural language processing or NLP, robotics, and expert systems. Machine learning is further categorized into deep learning and neural networks. Within vision, there is image and pattern recognition and facial recognition. In hearing, we have voice and speech recognition, and natural language processing comprises natural language understanding or NLU and natural language generation or NLG. So the different areas of application of AI that we use extensively as of today are things like image recognition, product analytics, A/B testing, speech recognition, language translation, and sentiment analysis. Let's learn a little bit more about each of them. Image recognition is the ability of software to recognize the objects, places, people, and actions in an image. Computers work in a combination of camera and artificial intelligence software to achieve image recognition. Speech recognition is the ability of a machine or program that allows humans to use their voice to speak with the computer and process it accordingly to perform a required task. Language translation is the process of converting the written word from one language into another in a way that is culturally and linguistically appropriate. Product analytics allows companies to gain knowledge of user engagement with their products or services. It can be used to track the activities, likes, dislikes of users, and also what keeps them engaged to the product. A/B testing is also called split testing. It is the process of comparing 2 different versions, let's call them A and B, of a web page to see which version of the web page gives better performance results. Sentiment analysis is the process of analyzing a piece of text to determine the writer's attitude. It can be categorized as positive, negative, or neutral.